I am going to show you how I was able to get 1,000 subscribers in just 4 days. It is very simple and it is something everybody can do. Don't fear or think that maybe getting subscribers is hard, getting watch hour is hard, getting views is hard, but I am going to show you these simple things. First of all, I will tell you 4 things that I did. Then on the 4th one, I will now show you the simple button I clicked on my YouTube studio. That button alone gave me almost all my subscribers because YouTube was able to now push my videos to new people. So what you are going to do is to watch this video to the end so that you will get all the whole step-by-step guide. If after watching this video you did not get any value, please don't subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let us start. Let us dive into what I my YouTube studio. Then I go to analytics. All right, now get into analytics. Look at the watch hour, 2.4K watch hour. All these things happen in 4 days. Now let us go to subscribers. Look at subscribers here. You click on subscribers. Are you seeing how many subscribers I got? Now let me prove it to you. I click on 7 days ago, 1,300 subscribers. I don't know if you're getting me. So 1,000 subscribers in 4 days, 300 subscribers in the remaining 3 days. That is this 7 days ago that you are seeing. What I did was very, very simple. I don't even know that this thing is very simple like this. So the first thing I did is I improved my video quality. These things that I'm going to tell you now is what will now get you to that button that you are going to click on YouTube Studio. If you do this one that I'm going to tell you is step by step. If you do this one that I'm going to tell you correctly, then you click on that particular button while uploading your videos. You are going to see the magic. If you watch the first video I uploaded on this channel, this is how it looks like. Because I am studying the show. And now, this is my recent video on this particular channel. So I have to improve my video quality, the sound, the lights and everything. Any video that you are doing, make sure that people are hearing what you are saying. Instead of your video to be clean, but the audio quality is bad, people can't even hear you. It's better the video is a bit blurred, but your audio quality is very, very sound. So don't make videos somewhere that is noisy. Even some people watch videos with their AirPod. So once they click on your video and they are hearing different sound that is disturbing them, they are not going to watch. Trust me, they will not subscribe to your channel. So if you want to make your video, invest in audio quality. Is very, very good so that your video will be sound just the way you are hearing what I'm saying now, very clear. When somebody watch your video, that person will feel very okay and now subscribe to your channel. It's not even easy for people to trust you and subscribe to your channel. But if they see the value you are giving them, starting from your video quality to your audio, to the way you explain things, they are going to definitely subscribe to your channel. If you are showing your face, improve it. If you are not showing your face, improve your editing skills. YouTube is not for quantity. YouTube is for quality. The second thing I did is being consistent, alright? Look at why your videos are not getting to new audience. Let's assume you are posting every blessed day. You post 1 week in a row. That time, algorithm is starting to understand your video. Say, okay, this person posts daily. Before you know, you now stay for 1 week again without posting. They are going to drop your channel. Posting consistently doesn't mean you will be posting every day, but anytime you are posting, just stick to it so that time algorithm will be expecting your content. So once you drop it, you now carry it and give to the right audience. Now the third tip is your keywords. These things I'm saying now might sounding very little, but these things is how to improve your video, your SEO, search engine optimization. So your keywords, keywords includes maybe your tags and your hashtags. They are not supposed to be plenty. They are supposed to be few and direct, and it must relate to your niche. Any keyword that you are using, be it hashtag or normal tags, you just have to maintain it. Now look at my video. This is my video. Are you seeing I use only 3 hashtags here? Get more views, hashtag get more views, YouTube tips, and YouTube SEO. Alright, if you check the description of this video, the hashtag and my content itself, you will see that all of them are saying the same thing. Alright, so this hashtag on your description is very important, but sometimes you don't need to put it too much. 2 is okay, 3 is okay. If you put it too much, it will definitely contradict the message of your content. Don't do, maybe if you watch this channel today, you will copy their hashtag and this and put on your own. Tomorrow you watch another one, you copy their hashtag and put on your own. No, because everybody has their own different niche. So all those things contribute to the way or the places YouTube are going to push your videos. Especially if your description, your title, everything is in order. Let me go to my latest video and show you the tags that I put there. And this is the tags that I keep changing at all. So this is why you are not getting subscribers, because I told you people that subscribers and watch hour is equals to views. If you are getting views, you will be getting subscribers. This is my YouTube studio. This is my recent video. This live stream is my recent upload before this video now that you are watching. So let me use this because everything here is practical, so you will know that I am telling you the truth and nothing but the truth. Now, if you go to this place now, you click on this more. These are my tags for this niche: YouTube growth, YouTube tips, get more views, get more subscribers. This is just my tags, and anytime I want to post video, this is the tag I will just put and leave it. I don't have to make it too plenty, all those things. I don't want to confuse the algorithms. These few things is going to get people to see your video, and the more people are seeing your video and your quality is good, they will subscribe to your channel. I tried it and it worked. You can equally try it and it will work. Now let me now show you the last one, which is during uploading your video, what you are going to click so that YouTube will circulate your video. I know that one is what you are waiting for. Now let me show you. Let us go straight into my phone and do the practical. Click on Google Chrome. You click on studio.youtube.com as usual. Click on continue to studio. Now I want to upload video and show you. Practical. You click on create. You click on upload videos. All right. Select file. Okay, now I will change my title here. Remember, I will change my title and put, let's say, how to upload. Okay, now this thing is just for illustration. I'm going to show you something now. Click on this place, they wrote show more. I know you can post using your YouTube app, and you can equally post using Google Chrome, but this feature I discovered it while posting with Google Chrome. So if maybe you post 2 or 3 of your videos with this Google Chrome and do this feature, before you know it will just optimize and be part of your videos. So if you now post with normal YouTube app, it's just going to be like that. This feature is something that you can check or uncheck anytime you are posting your video. Let me show you something. After you must have put your tag, put your thumbnail, put everything, all those things, you already know how we do it. You keep scrolling. Look at this place, they wrote publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Anytime we are talking about how to get more subscribers, this is the main key. This is the main key on how to get subscribers. Now, YouTube is asking you here, I don't like big grammars. So YouTube is asking you here, do you want us to post this particular video to your subscribers and give them notification? Now look at the twist here. If you did not understand this English, you are going to make mistakes. So listen to me. Let me break it down. Do you want us to carry this video and show your subscribers and notify them that you have posted? 2 things involved here. If you are a new YouTuber, you have not gotten plenty subscribers, or maybe your subscribers normally are not always interested in your content, what you are going to do here is very simple. Just uncheck this stuff. If you uncheck it, you click on save. If you have plenty subscribers already, anytime you post your videos, your subscribers watch your videos, everything. Now what you are going to do is to come here. If the thing is not checked, you come here and check. Very simple. So with this, YouTube can take your video to new people. That is if you have 0 subscribers or 100 subscribers or 500 subscribers and the most of them doesn't click your videos. Come and uncheck this thing and post your next video. Hence, your content, the quality is good, your keyword, your tag, everything is okay. Come and uncheck this thing. YouTube will carry this video and give to entirely new people. Once those people are clicking and watching your videos, they will be subscribing to your channel. This is how you are going to get plenty of subscribers. Me, I did it because when I started this channel, the subscribers are few. I said, no, let me be giving to entirely new people. That is how I was able to get all of you now that is watching me. Now that I've gotten a reasonable amount of subscribers, I am going to, anytime I want to post video, I will say publish to my subscribers and notify them. Because YouTube work with search. I don't know if you're getting me. So anytime they roll out your video, people that are watching that video determines if they show your thumbnail to people and they did not click it, YouTube will stop showing it. If you are a new YouTuber and you don't even have subscribers, your subscribers are not even stable, you come and click publish to my subscribers. If they publish it, those 500 or 200 people might not click it. YouTube will think the video is bad and they will stop pushing it. But if you have a reasonable amount of subscribers that are loyal to you, always check this thing so that they will be the people that will start watching your video first. It will now help YouTube to circulate it to new people. Are you getting me? But if your subscribers are few or you don't even have at all, uncheck this stuff so that your videos will meet entirely new people. I don't know if you're getting me. So this is the main thing on how to get subscribers. Now, the bonus tip is always reply your comments. You know, if people comment on your video, always reply them. If people say, I just subscribed to your channel, tell the person, thank you for subscribing. I don't know if you're getting me. Yes, just with that, they will keep engaging in your content. The more they engage in your content, the more YouTube will push that video to new people. The more new people come, the more they subscribe. With this, I'm giving you 7 days. Try this thing out. Come back to this particular video and tell me that you have gotten 1,000 subscribers. And I really appreciate all of you that joined my live. You know, that was my first time of doing YouTube live, so it was so fun. You know, on this particular channel, it was so fun. You know, I enjoyed it a lot. I really enjoyed it. You know, the way I was interacting with people, you know, it makes me to feel that, okay, truly, all these views that I'm getting, it is actually people that are watching it. And, you know, they asked me so many questions and I answered them. So you can go back and watch, so you will learn many things we spoke. I'm thinking of maybe coming live at least once in a week. So always expect my videos. So thank you very much. Normally, if you get any value from this content, you subscribe. If you did not get any value, please don't subscribe, because what I'm doing here is practical and I'm here to tell you everything that I know about YouTube and how YouTube works. If my kind of topic interests you, do well to subscribe to my channel and always stick around and drop a nice comment and equally share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if it is helping you. All right, thank you, and I will see you on my next video.